Good morning. The compassionate appointment, the procedures, regulations, time to time notifications, leading lot of litigations, driving the abundant legalers to run for years to get their compassionate appointment. There is no uniform regulations or recruitment procedures, and central government in some department is having merit related points as per guidelines of the Supreme Court, but that was not followed in almost other states. But the solatium appointments are compassionate appointments are being given from time to time. Recently, the two father and sons who were killed by the police officials, uh, the state government of Tamil Nadu appointed one of the legal. So these things are there. So I would like to discuss a judgment which is somewhat disturbing. What my duty is to read the judgment, but don't lose your hearts. Uh, because of this judgment, you fight for your client. 2020 AR 2000 Supreme Court 1401 Justice R. Bhanumati Bopanna and Rishi Kesh Roy, NC Santosh vs State of Karnataka and others. There are several civil appeals. Judgment was delivered by Rishikesh Roy J. Actually, this case deals with Karnataka State Civil Services Act, Section 3, Karnataka Civil Services Rule 1996, Appointment on Compassionate Grounds Rules. Rule 5, which was subsequently amended. Earlier, the minor child of the deceased employee can apply on attaining age of majority, and within 1 year he can apply. But that was amended by Rule 9.3. Transitory provisions of Rule 9. Application Rule 5 is bar, therefore the transitory provision of Rule 9.3 is not applicable, is the ratio. There are several applicants. Those applicants' name were scheduled at paragraph 7. Actually, what happened? They were earlier appointed, and subsequently because of Rule 5 that a minor dependent of the deceased government employee must apply within 1 year from the date of death of the government servant. Therefore, the appointment was terminated, and by passing impugned order, the applicants went to administrative tribunal. In Karnataka, there is state administrative tribunal, Bangalore was functioning. So they have set aside that they have initially set aside and remanded back, and in some applicants, and finally there was an inquiry about misrepresentation, but the department held there was no absolutely misrepresentation. But however, the appointment was revoked, cancelled, stating that it is against the Rule 5. Therefore, they went to a tribunal and that was affirmed by the High Court. The argument of the appellant before the Supreme Court and other courts was Rule 5 only is procedural, not mandatory. Therefore, the Rule 9(3) transitional provision should be considered and their appointment should be hold good. But the Supreme Court has stated that Rule 5 as it originally stood enabled minor dependent to apply within 1 year after attaining majority. The rule-making authority within the amendment effective from 19 stipulated an outer limit of 1 year from the date of death of government servant for making application for compassionate appointment. The validity of amended rule is not challenged in the given case. Earlier provision which enabled a minor to apply attaining a majority may be applying 1 year, but consequently the amendment was prohibited. That appellant were minor at the time when the employee died and they have turned 18 after the 1 year of the death of the employee. Therefore, their appointment is contravention to the amended provision which is brought into force from 1/4/99. Therefore, the judgment was hold good, and there were several judgments, some in favor of the appellant and some not in favor of the appellant. That is SBI versus Rajkumar, AR Online 2010 SC 93, then MCB Gramik Bank versus Chakravarti Singh, that is AR 2013 SC 3365. But Canara Bank versus Mahesh Kumar, that was also referred here, that is AR 2015 SC 2411. Finally, they have finally discussed Himachal Pradesh versus Sakshi Kumar, AR Online 2019 SC 628. Then they say finally they say after culling out the referred judgments, cited judgments, a dependent of the government employee in the absence of any vested right occurring on the death of government can only demand consideration is application. However, dissented to seek in accordance with the norms as applicable on the death of government employee, because they could not apply within the 1 year of date of because of incapacity. Probably this judgment may be later on revisited. I don't think the poor, what is the sin committed by the poor children? If there is a provision, at least the merit related points, you can consider the delay latches by awarding some minus points. So the Supreme Court guidelines on compassionate appointment should be regulated by merit related points. This may be incorporated there, and the state government must also follow this and do not deprive the eligibility of the candidate to get appointment on behalf of their deceased father. This is what my submission, but however the poor persons lost their case. I would like to go through the entirety of the judgment and kindly go through the judgment in favor of the appellant also, but because later on you can use of this. They did not distinguish or descended with this is just referring both the cases. They have only sidelined in the one of the judgment. Best wishes.